Okay, I'm Henry Neufeld, and I'm doing a screencast here to show you an interesting case of the past meeting the present. For those of you who have been around for a while, you know that in the past we interacted with computers exclusively through command lines, where you would type commands and then you would and the computer would do various things. We didn't have the graphical user interface like most computers do now. Now I'm working right now on an Ubuntu Linux computer with a command line, and I've just installed Twidge, which is a command line client for Twitter. So there you have past meets present. Twitter is kind of still in the leading edge set of activities or programs on the internet, and here we are interacting with it. You'll see in the middle of the screen, more or less in the middle of the screen, my command line, where I've just done, before I started this, a command, Twidge ls commands, lists the commands. You can see there I can send a direct message, block somebody, follow them. If I list, here's ls archive. Let's start with that one. You just type Twidge ls archive, and that's going to list the last 20 tweets that I've sent out. Now if I want to get my list of commands back again, I have to Twidge ls commands. There I go. Now if this seems slow and clumsy to you, that's because it's intentionally done as a command line. You can program this with scripts and so on and so forth with your commands, but when PCs first came out, this was the way we did it. Now there were even more primitive ways before that, such as punch cards, and before that entering data as in hexadecimal machine language, all of that sort of thing. But now this is just a command line on my modern office. So let's see here, if I go, let's say Twidge, and we do update, and then I can send an update, and I'll type recording a screencast of using Twidge with Twitter on Ubuntu. There's enough little keywords. And by the way, I am currently using a screen capture program, which I'm also going to comment on this and provide links to the two articles that said it. It's just this kind of interesting command line. So now when I hit enter, that status is sent out to my Twitter account. Now let's watch here. I'm going to go over to my Twitter account. And let's just go take a look at my own updates. As you see there, the top one, recording a screencast of using Twidge with Twitter on Ubuntu. Now if I go back to this, I can send a direct message. So I go Twidge DM send, let's say testing, sending a DM with Twidge command line Twitter. And as you see that, we'll send this. Now what's going to happen is that'll come up on my that's going to come up and ding on my phone here in a minute, provided that it successfully does it. Oh, we've got a problem there, because let's do a Control C. If anybody sees the problem, see, I have to provide it who is getting this sent. So we're going to send it to Energion, which is my company account. And if you listen for the ding, that's the ding of the DM coming in on my phone. So as you see, I can use the technology from ancient times all the way up to the present. Okay, that's enough with the screencast here. I'm going to put in the review information for the screencast recorder that I'm using. which is called Kazam. And I'm also going to put in the link for this command line, plus there are 2 other command line interfaces with Twitter, but I think I'll count on you using their documentation to learn how to use them.